Hey friends, this is Atif here. And welcome to the new update on Aerodrome. On a daily time frame chart, recently Aerodrome is breaking down the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see that since after 27th of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this wedge. And during this move, it has been breaking out different patterns as well. Like it broke out this ascending triangle, and we had a nice pump. Then it broke out another falling wedge pattern, and then we had another pump, and the price sign reached the resistance. And this time the price sign has formed another falling wedge pattern, and now after getting rejected by the resistance, the price sign is breaking down the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. But here we have a quite long-term support zone that starts from $1.50 and goes to here $1.34, and this support zone has been breaking as a support zone here for several days, and now again for the past several days it is breaking as a nice support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this bullish divergence, a hidden bullish divergence that still we have on this daily time frame chart. You can see that the price sign is so far not able to form another lower than previous low, but a stochastic oscillator has entered the oversold, and it is forming lower than previous low. That is a hidden bullish divergence signal on this chart. And we will also take a look at this uptrend line support as well. You can see that recently we have found this uptrend line support, and now the price and it's dropped down at the support. We had a bounce here from the support. We had touch point here, another touch point here, we had another bounce here, and now the price is again dropped down. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Loca, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart you can see when I shared the signal, for example in this case I shared this signal on 6th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Aerodrome, and on this daily time frame chart you can see that for the past several days, since after 27th of Feb 2024, it is moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern. And during this move the price line has been breaking out different patterns, the smaller patterns. Like this was the ascending triangle, then it broke out this falling wedge pattern, and now it is again moving inside in another falling wedge pattern. In fact, this is a bullish bias pattern, and at the same time we have also found this uptrend line support. But you can see that at the same time the price line is also breaking down this support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. That is a quite critical situation, because this uptrend line, this support of the broadening rising wedge pattern, was the structure for this bull run. And you can see that since it has begun this bull run, by the way, from this low of the first candlestick, from here up till here, you can see that it has rallied more than 268%. And during this rally here in the month of Feb, on 27th of Feb 2024, we found this uptrend line support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. That was a very critical support, but now we are breaking it down. But if we take a look at the volume, then you can see that volume is still not supporting this breakdown, because in order to start a very massive move to the downside, in order to break down this support, a long-term support zone that starts from $1.50 and goes to $1.34, we will need a powerful sell volume. Still we don't have that much powerful sell volume. And for example, if the price line moves more down and breaks down this upper bands of this support, then here we also have this very long-term support of Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. And this bullish cloud works as a very strong support. And now you can see that we have this bullish cloud inside this support zone. from $1.34 to $1.50. And right now you can see that the price line is dropped down at this uptrend line support as well. If it will be broken down, then it can drop down to the next support. And in fact, this is the formation of a symmetrical triangle as well. You can see that if we want this uptrend line support and resistance, then you can see that this resistance and support, this resistance of the falling wedge pattern is also working as a support of this symmetrical triangle as well. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on this support zone, and if this support zone will be broken down, then it can drop more down, and this hidden bullish divergence signal can be by the way also removed from the chart if the price line will break down this support, because in that situation it will be forming another lower than previous low, and it will be synchronized with the movement of this oscillator. So far we have this hidden bullish divergence signal on this chart, like the price line is forming higher low than previous low, but the stochastic is moved on and it is forming lower than previous low. And you can see that after the month of Feb, after 21st of Feb 2024, this is for the first time that the price line, this stochastic oscillator is entered the oversold zone. And I'm expecting that once we will receive the bull cross, like when this blue line will cross up this orange line, then there will be some stability. That I'm expecting that after that it can start a correction move to the upside. Now this previous support of this broadening rising wedge pattern can work as a resistance for the price line, and now we will also need to break it out in order to continue this bull run. And now if the price line breaks out this resistance once again and re-enter the same broadening rising wedge pattern, then there will be a probability that the price line may form another higher than previous high, and in that situation the price line can hit the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern somewhere here approximately at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.